Yeah. So hello guys, this is Alex. Nilikuwa request. I said it's not even a request. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope Mungu amewalinda vizuri. Nilikuwa nimesema I was going to take a 3-day personal retreat, at least to try to at least find myself back, and you know, things like this you need to find yourself back and at least seek God so that you can find the right decision to make or the right thing to do in times like this. So I had taken a 3 or 4 days break, at least personal retreat, and during that time I've been talking to God, fasting and all the stuff, at least for the most appropriate decision to make going forward. And then so today ikifika around masa I think ni saa 6 hivi, a certain fan akanitext akanitumia video about from True-K about OT, and I was really saddened by vitu zenye OT anasema, and I really pray for him. I hope he finds solace. I hope he finds God, because OT, guys, let me tell you one thing. OT si mtu mbaya. Hata mkimwangalia hivyo, OT is not a bad man. He's not a bad man. Yesi gaidi venye mnaweza fikiria. The man is a good man. He is trying he's trying to provide for his family, and I really respect him for that. He's just acting, and he's being used vibaya. OT anatumika, unaona venye wanasiasa wanatumiaga vijana kuleta vurugu, kufanya hizi mabaya zote. So the same thing, Jay is using OT the same way. And ukiangalia OT anaanza akisema anatumia mic za Jay. Who gives him those mics? Every time anakoga na mic za Jay, kila video akishoot. It's because they are always there. Akina Jay and akina OT are always there. Those are friends. Na wamesoma pamoja, so it's quite understandable. So Jay is using OT to do his dirty work for him, which is quite understandable, and I expected nothing less from him, because that is his game plan. So guys, OT is one talented electrician. OT is one person who can really make, if you have any gadget and iko na shida, maybe uko na TV yako, hiyo TV yako iko na shida, or maybe uko na fridge iko na shida, cooker, blender, any electrical problem that you might be having, na hizi gadgets, OT can do them for you. OT is a really talented electrician, and I believe that is his God-given talent. Hizi mambo za gadgets, that man is really good at it. And I want to talk to my friend OT for sure, because apart from hizi kwa YouTube inaonekana like ati maybe wasa wamekosana nini, hapana. But me and him, we can talk down and we can come to an understanding, na tuelewane na tuongee vizuri, because we are not enemies as you guys might think. So mimi nataka niambie OT, you are really stepping away from your God-given talent, mtu wangu. You are really stepping away from your God-given talent. You know very well, right now, inafaa tu kuwe na duka ya electrical shop, duka ya gadgets. Right now inafaa kuwe na duka ya gadgets. Hii mambo ya kutukanana internet left, right, center. How long will you do it? Ask yourself. Utaifanya mpaka lini? Utatukana watu kwa internet mpaka lini? Those people that you are abusing, utawatukana mpaka lini? Utatumika vibaya mpaka lini? My brother, do you think your child grow up apatane na hizi videos, because the internet never forgets, do you think he will be proud of you? Do you think your wife, knowing very well that this is all acting, seeing the way you are abusing people, oh, mara we ni shoga, unakulwa na ule, unakulwa na huyu, unafanya sijui nini, some uncouth words, very dirty words coming out of your mouth. Do you think even your wife is proud of you, vitu zenye unafanya? My brother, I want to tell everyone, OT is not a bad person. Ni mtu anateseka tu pale pipeline, na akishatukanana hivyo anapatiwa 500 aende atulie. Hao magaidi wenye wanapatikana hapo Darasha, Jay stays in Juja. Hao magaidi wenye sijui hao vijana wanakula bangi wenye wanapatikana hapo Darasha, wanalipwa 300 wanaenda zao. So I'm asking OT, utalenga your God-given talent until when? When will you start focusing on the thing that really matters? Because when push meets shoves, mtu wangu, Jay atakuruka. When vitu zimeganda, you know Jay very well, atakuruka. Mimi sina ubaya. Mimi mara sijui nimetuma, OT alinituma niharibie Jay past. No. Even the first person nikitengeneza channel, the first person nilipatana naye ilikuwa ni OT na Elijah. That time wamekosana na Jay. OT mwenyewe, hiyo period yote tukienda Mombasa, ulikuwa umekosana na Jay. Jay never wanted to see you in his house. OT ulikuwa unapatikana kwa jikoni ya Bella unapika. Bella alikuwa anakufukuza kwa jikoni yake. So these people have never wanted you in the first place. And you told me all this. These people have never wanted you. So why are you being stupid again? Unaacha wanakutumia to fight their dirty work. Huwezi pata Jay kwa kamera akitukanana matusi zenye wewe unatukanana. No. You are being used as a pawn. So my brother, it's high time you change, man. It's high time you start focusing on the things that really matter. You have your God-given talent. Oh, sijui mara nasikia these mics OT ndiye alinipatia. Come on. OT, wewe uko na hiyo ndo hata kupatiana mics. Do you know why I'm saying OT is a very good electrician, or maybe is he good at this gadget stuff? Prophet Mtume Elijah, the fake one, yeye alikuwa the first person to open a channel, and when he wanted a mic, OT alimpeleka town kwa shimo. OT ndiye akafanya nini? Akabuy those mics zenye Mtume Elijah akonazo at a very good price. So when I wanted to buy mine, because at that time, remember, nilikuwa najaribu kusafishia OT jina, because people know OT kama gaidi. My main work was just, OT alikuwa ananiambia bana, akipatana na watu wanamtukana, watu wanaepa kwake, like there's even some fan kutana naye akajaribu kumuinulia kitu amchape. Because you fans, the problem with you fans, you don't know that this is fake. You think this is reality. This is not reality. This is just acting. So maybe I was trying to just kusafishia OT jina. Aonekane he's somebody who has changed, and he has found Christ, and he has changed for better according to the acting that we are putting. But what did Jay do? Jay akamrudisha penye yako. OT is one cheap guy, and you need to change, my brother. So if anybody, because let's do it for him, because kazi naye akiitiwa hata kataa. OT akiitiwa kazi na ni kazi ya maana hata kataa. So fans, let's do it for OT. If anybody has some work, mtu ako na kazi ya electrical job, TV yako imeharibika, fridge yako imeharibika, dispenser yako imeharibika, anything, and inahitaji an electrician, please contact OT. He is a good man with a clean heart, and he is talented. He is able to do it, anaweza sort hizo vitu haraka iwezekanavyo. No. Sorry for that. Anaweza sort hizo vitu haraka iwezekanavyo. Sijui kama mnanielewa. So let's do it for this guy. This guy, his potential is being wasted away hapa kwa internet and time is running out. Otiwe mwenyewe unajua vizuri right now. You know it and you know it very well. Sasa inafaa kuwa na duka ya electrical shop. Umeifungua. And even your wife knows it. Sasa inafaa umeshafungua your electrical shop. Why are you not focusing on that? Why are you being used kutukanana kwa internet? How will that help you in the long run? Pesa ya hiyo channel ikiingia utapewa. Why don't you look at the future of your child? Mbona usiangalie venye bibi yako atakaa? Venye familia yako itakaa? Because everything that we do right now, it should reflect in the future. How will abusing somebody on the internet reflect in the future for you? Itakusaidia nani? So this is a message clearly for OT, because me, I don't have a problem with OT. Sijui alinituma niharibie Jay jina. No. Hii yangu na Jay, it was time, it was due. But OT, don't get involved in this. You are fighting the wrong battle. Fight for your kids, brother. Fight for your kids. You are fighting the wrong battle, ndugu yangu. Don't be used as somebody's unatumika ni kama wewe ndio unatumika for the dirty work. Don't be like that anymore. Come out clearly and say to people that wewe manze, you've been used to acting, and just so that God can bless you, so that people who are holding grudge against you for no reason can forgive you, and you can get the blessings that you deserve. Because there are fans hapa hivi that have, this is a market. Kuna wenye wako na mashida, wako na mashida za hizo ma screen zao and everything, and you can solve them. Can't you see that your potential is being imefunikwa? Can't you see that your opportunities zimefunikwa, ndugu yangu? Your opportunity is something that you can do with your hand. Everybody is talking OT. These people talking OT left, right, center. Wako na TV zenye zimeharibika. Wako na fridge zenye zimeharibika. Wako na radio zenye zimeharibika. Wako na simu zenye zimeharibika. This is a market for you. That is what I was trying to do for you, brother. Mimi sijui mbona unatokea wapi, unaambiwa unitukane na unanitukana. Hii itakusaidia aje in the long run? Because unaona hizi matusi ni upepo tu, zitapita ziende, but you will still remain where you are. Unanipata? You will still remain where you are, my guy. You need to change. Usikubali kutumika for internet kiki. Hizi ni makiki tu. Utiume nitukana, sijui mara shoga, mara sijui yani mnitusi matusi zingine. I did not even finish the video because it was stupid. These are the same people walikufukuza kwao. But let me tell you one thing. And I'm talking even to Jay. You cannot predict the future. You can't even predict what will happen tomorrow. But you can assume what might happen. We can use past historical data to try to maybe predict a little bit about the future. And I'm telling you, should you continue in this journey, in this method of abusing somebody left, right, center, my guy, everything is going to go turmoil kwako, for sure. That is something I can tell you. Itapata uendelee na hizi shughuli za kuwa guide in a year, in 2 years, you will not have built anything. Hakuna goal yenye umeset yenye utataka kuachieve utakuwa umeachieve. Nanielewa? I love you as a brother. I love you as a friend. Consider your actions. Consider your mouth. Usikubali kutumika for dirty work. That is what Jay is doing. That is what Director Jay. He's called director because he's the one directing everything that is happening on his channel. video ya Otiki wakisema Jay akisema isiuploadiwe, haiwezi uploadiwa because he is always behind the camera telling you to abuse him. Mara nasikia ati kipara yangu inakaa kinembe. Oti bana, I'm a good looking guy bro. For sure, that is one thing I can tell you. I'm a good looking guy. I have my own aura man. Sitaki nikuchoche. Mimi hadi naweza kunywa bibi yako. Walai. Mimi hata bibi nikipita kando bibi yako, she'll tell her friends that wow, that's a good looking man. I am that guy. I look good Oti. Kitu sikudanganyi. I'm in good shape my brother. I'm a very good looking guy. At my best. Nikiwa at my very very best, my friend. Naweza kukwambia mimi I'm a good looking guy for sure. Hata uniambie sura yangu inakaa kinembe aje. I have some babes crushing on me vibaya sana hapa hivi. So mimi sura yangu ikaagi kama kinembe. Unaona? Ugly men don't always like handsome men. That is the truth. That is the truth. Me, I'm a good looking guy, bro. I know it. And I know the type of women I attract. Mimi sikimbizanagi na wanawake, bro. I attract, man. I have that energy. I have it. I have that aura. Sijuka unanielewa, bro. And I'm telling the fans, meet me hapa nje. You'll like what you see. Unaona? So, Oti tu ni anaambiwa tu anitukane tu ndio mcheke, but it's the drama, it's the entertainment part of it. Mimi najua nyinyi mnaenjoy it, but it's good. So guys, venye tumesema, if you guys have any work, kama uko na job yoyote, electrical, maybe uko na TV yako inakusumbuaga, maybe uko na sorry, this mic inasumbua. Maybe uko na radio, uko na any product that you want to, iko na shida na kusumbua, Oti is your guy. And best believe me, that guy will not overprice you, na hata yeye pia hataji underprice. He will give you the best price. So if you have any gadget inakusumbua, TV, nini, radio, fridge, your phone, tablet, laptop, desktop, computer, Oti is the best guy for it, guys, man. And let's help this guy because he's being used in the wrong way. So let's help him at least aweze kutoka at this particular point. Mimi, I have really nothing against Oti for sure. He's really a good person, and let's just try to help him out for sure. Let's just try to help him out. It is mpaka sahi, on this day and age, Oti does not even have a smartphone. No, that is alarming. Yet he's good at all this. No. Meaning, if we guys decide to come out together, tunaweza fungulia hata Oti biashara, kaduka. Because na wache kuact hizi mambo za ujinga. Kutukana watu internet, that is cyberbullying. He doesn't know. Oti does not know that this is cyberbullying. This is character assassination that is taking part now. The evidence is full. This is tarnishing somebody's name. Unaona? Yeah. And cyberbullying ilipitishwa juzi tu. So he doesn't know because haambiwi hizi vitu. He's being directed falsely by Jay. So let's come together, guys, and let's really help Oti. He's a good guy, man. Me, for sure, he's really a good person. And he's being used in a wrong way. Unaona? Because at the end of the day, hizo videos zenye ameshoot up hivyo, pesa ikitoka hatalipwa. Pesa hizo videos hatalipwa. Yeye akishalipwa hiyo 500 yake ya kuact, hata act episodes 5, 6, atapewa tu bado hiyo 500 na aende kwake, aende kwa bibi yake na 500. Na hizo ndio vitu zenye zinafanyaga watu wanakuliwa mabibi. I can tell you Oti, I'm not even lying. Your wife might not be respecting you right now. Your wife might not be respecting you right now. Your wife might be getting dicked down by somebody hapa nje. That is a fact. Akishaona huyu bwanangu tu kazi yake tu ni kwenda kukaa kwa nyumba mwanaume mwingine the whole day. the whole day your wife atakudharau oti. Na usishtuke kama bibi yako anakulwa nje. Usianze kukuja kuambia wanaume ati mule bibi yangu sijui nini. It's because of your actions. It's because of your behavior. Mimi nakwambia, because hata tukienda Garissa there are some people's wives walikuwa nakulwa tu and we knew. It's because of their behaviors. Yeah. There are some people's wives wamekulwa tu hapo hivyo left, right, center and we know. Ni ile tu sisi tunagaga tumenyamazia tu. Oti, take it easy my brother. Don't do it again, man. Please, let's tell me and from today it is my work. I'm going to be marketing for you your skill. I'm going to be marketing for you your skill. For sure. That is something I will be doing. Nitakuwa na market skill yako. At least watu kama ni kazi imepatikana, manze uende ufanye hizo kazi man. Usikuwa unakaa kwa J the whole day ukiongoja upewe 500. Yeah? Usikuwa unakaa kwa J the whole day ukiongoja kukuja kutukana Aleko man. Mimi ni Aleko. Oti ni mimi Aleko tu bado tu. Aleko tu mmoja. Mwenye mimi ndo nilikuwa nakubaia jaba tukiwa Garissa pamoja. Ni mimi manze ndo nimekupatia hizi pesa zangu zote unanipigia na kutumia do kama uko chini. It's still me Oti. Ni mimi tu Aleko tu huyo mmoja tu. Mwenye ulikuwa unampigia na kutumia 500 na kutumia 800 na kutumia 1000. It's still me. For sure I have not changed. I'm still the same Alex. For real, and I will not change for you because I understand you my brother. I really understand you. And I really care because I believe that this is a brother that is being used in the wrong way. Sawa my bro. So guys, venye tumesema, if you have any issues with your gadgets, please let me know. At least I will reach out to OT, nimwambie kuna kazi hapa, kuna kazi pale. At least now he starts working on his God-given talent, and that thing will surely help him in the long run. So thank you guys, and let's pray for OT. Let's pray for OT for sure and his family. And Director J, please man, don't use OT like that anymore man. Msafishie jina. Aache kujulikana kama gaidi. For real, msafishie tu jina. You guys, you know, it's all a lie. Hizi vitu zote it's all a lie. What you are doing is all fake. Kila kitu ni fake. Ni sawa. So let's just stop this and everything will turn out to be better. Ni sawa. Next I think we'll be talking about our Garissa mission and everything because hizi events zote I don't think everything will be handled on YouTube. Vitu zitakuwa going forward, vitu zitakuwa zitahandliwa with a different system and different people going forward. So we just want to clear out everything and then so everything can be seen on a clean slate. Bye guys.